Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. And we're back. So today's unit was sent to me by Outre, so thank you kindly for sending me this unit. This is from Outre's lace front wig collection. It's one of the easier collections from Outre overall. So the style of this unit is called Laylyn. That's an interesting name. I do like that, Laylyn. And I got it in the color DRFF Sunkiss Brown. It comes with natural baby hairs. It's HD transparent lace. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And it has heat resistant fibers. This unit comes in all types of colors, a 1, 1B, 2, 613, chocolate frost, DR2/golden honey blonde, DRFF chocolate cherry, DRFF honey brown, DRFF sunkiss brown, and DRFF2 cinnamon spice. And this is what the stock card is looking like. It does come in some other specialty colors that I just read, and I'm gonna show you what the back of the stock card looks like so you can see some of those colors. But yes, they have been, you know, sending out these simple stock cards, which I love. A lot less for me to read. But there are some care guide instructions on here. It tells you how to wash the unit, detangle hair from root to end. Before shampooing, carefully wash in lukewarm water with mild shampoo. Follow with conditioner and rinse. Do not rub or brush hair while damp. Air dry or gently blow dry. Style once hair is completely dry. You guys, it's a synthetic wig. I am not washing no synthetic wig. They're not meant to last long. You know, if you're wearing it every single day, I say 3 weeks tops. But yeah, I like it. It's cute. It's a plop and go. As you guys saw, I didn't have a lot to do. All I did was cut the lace. I used a little bit of my, where is it? Oh, I used a little bit of my Ebin lace tint. I got it in the color medium dark brown. In the past, if you see my videos, I was using medium brown. I didn't really know what my color was until I purchased it, so I got a shade darker and it's medium dark brown. This is what it's looking like. The link to this is in the description box below as well. I didn't have a lot of lace. I had about this much lace. I sprayed it very, very close up as you guys saw. And then I used my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 420. I went in with this little brush that I use for my parting. And I went in with the foundation and I parted it through the space. And that was it. You guys know I love me a plop and go. I didn't really lay out no baby hairs. I usually just leave the baby hairs alone because they fall into place and they make the unit look more realistic, which is something I really, really love. Especially with the halo stitch braid unit. If you guys haven't seen this video, check it out. But I literally sprayed that unit and left it alone, and those baby hairs laid right into place. I am loving this color. It's giving fall vibes. It's giving me some like Tina Knowles vibes. It's making me think of Mama Tina. So I do like it. I like the length. It's perfect for work, you know, going into the office. Or do you guys have to go back into the office? I'm working from home, so yeah. And I refuse to be on Zoom calls, so girl, I be looking crazy at home. I don't care. But yes, so yes, I'm loving the blonde highlights, the little streaks, the auburn, and it's giving Sunkiss vibes. I like it a lot. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. I will say this unit is big head friendly, more on the medium spectrum though. You can adjust the straps to your head size, but I would say it's more on the medium spectrum. The cap size does have some stretch to it, so you know it can fit a larger head. As far as tangling and shedding, this unit did have a lot of shedding when I first took it out of the package. I'm not sure if it's because of the curl pattern. The curls were tight when I took it out of the packaging. I did have to go in with my brush and just brush it through. If you are, you know, familiar with my channel, you know I don't like coming out units because it's synthetic and it gets bigger and bigger over time. And I do not like putting product in my wigs on the first day, okay? Maybe after week 2, but not week 1. Especially day 1. I don't feel like a synthetic wig should have product in it. It just doesn't make sense to me. The more product you put in there, the more your unit will become tangly, nappy, you know, and it just won't look fresh. So yeah, so this unit did shed a little bit. Just keep that in mind when you are combing out the curls. Like there's still hair coming out. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't usually have issues with their units, but yeah, maybe it's the curl pattern and like the cut of it, you know. As far as texture, it is on the silky side. You know, it's not like a super, super shiny silk, but it is a little shiny. Now, like looking through it through the camera versus, you know, in person, it is a little shiny on camera. But in order to get rid of some of that shine, all you have to do is spray in some dry shampoo. Sorry, I had to think about it. All you have to do is spray in some dry shampoo to give it more of a matte look. Overall, my final thoughts is that this unit is fun. I'm loving the color and I love the style. It's easy for work and you know, it's a great plop and go. Even if you want to just go to dinner and have some drinks with the girls, but I'm thinking more work vibes. But it's cute. I do like it. But before we go, in today's video, I also recorded a lash tutorial on these magnetic lashes. So if you want to see that video, it will be airing next week. You know, the best thing to do is to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And yes, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys next week. Namaste.